Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is an experimental hijab tutorial. I'm going to be using my mocha scarf from my range Style Explorer. I'm going to be placing one side short and one side long. Okay, so to get started, you want to make sure it's short enough. So we're just going to have to check this. And I'm going to be using this end to actually pin up to this end. So we can see that it's actually too long. So I'm going to go a little bit shorter. I'm now going to take this corner and this edge and I'm going to pin that up very loosely. You don't want to do this because that will give you a different look entirely. So you want to keep it nice and loose. You can always pin up later on for more security and to make sure that the scarf, of course, stays on your head. So I'm just going to quickly pin this up. So now that I've done that, it's got like a bit of a veiled kind of look. You're now going to take the scarf piece that's left and you're going to take it. It's going to be folded, fold the raw edge in, and you're going to just pin it up onto your hijab cap. I'm using a normal office pin. You can use a pearl head if you'd like. I usually find the scarf also stays put with a pearl head pin. It's just with the office pin you can't see them and they're nice for, occasions. Okay, I think I've got a pin stuck in here. I'm just going to take it off. Okay, so now that you have the shorter side, you are going to take the shorter side and simply bring it to the front. And that's it, guys. Hope you like it. It's definitely a new look. And yeah, depending on the brooch that you use in the back, it's going to look a lot prettier. So you can always just pin your scarf here as well. And that way you can even use earrings as well if you'd like, or even sunglasses. Hope you like this. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you'd like to see more of. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.